Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset your Eero 6 Pro. And to do this you'll need to click on the button of the device. It's right here on the other side, so click and hold that button for 15 seconds until this LED lamp right here turns into red. Then you can let go of the button and wait about 1 minute till it disconnects from all of the devices and sources. So let's try it out. You might need to put a little bit of force to actually press that button. Now it's an orange light, and wait till the red one. Three times blink, let's let go, and now wait. And from here your device is successfully performed the factory reset. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.